All right, let's take a look at the actual product, the smoker for your drinks out there. If you're going to be drinking whiskey or any kind of mixture that you're going to do, and you want to give it a good flavor, it comes with plenty of different flavors. If you guys can see on this one, they even from cherry, pecan to mix wood and apple. And this is all set, including with the actual burner itself and a couple of filters too, and a brush to clean them up. But just to let you guys know, out of the box, this does not have any fluid. You're gonna have to retain your own fluid, and here we are actually gonna set up our own fluid in here and test it out and see how this works. And this is actually really handy. It's a huge torch that you can use this for cooking, not just for drinks, but actually for cooking too. So we're gonna put it together, we're gonna mix a drink and see how it works. It also included a little mixture for your drinks out there. So we're gonna put some fluid in there. Buy your own fluid anywhere, install it, and you're all set up. All right, you can increase the volume on the bottom of the actual system, but once you fill it up, you find your own flame torch, and you're all set up. Now, there is a lock mechanism for children, all right? So you can't push the button unless you unlock it. Very simple. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe